All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, ES6. Use the spread operator to evaluate arrays in place. All right. So ES6 introduces the spread operator, which allows us to expand arrays and other expressions in places where multiple parameters or elements are expected. So again, it's just like spread syntax right here. They just call it spread operator for some reason. All right. So the ES5 code below uses the apply method to compute the maximum value in an array. So we have this array right here, and then we've got var maximus equals math.max. And then I've never used apply before, so I don't know what this is about. But apparently you get, when we put apply and then the array and then null in front of it, it'll find the actual math.max. I don't know why. If we learned this, I'd tell you, but we haven't. So maximus would have a value of 89 because that's the max right there, right? So we had to use math.max.apply with null and r as the arguments because math.maxr returns nan, right? Math.max expects comma-separated arguments, but not an array. The spread operator makes this syntax much better to read and maintain. So when we put this in here, but have the spread syntax in front of it, it basically takes everything out of the array and just has comma separated values in here, so that math.max in Maximus knows that 89 is what we're looking for, basically. So the spread syntax R returns an unpacked array. In other words, it spreads the array. However, the spread operator or spread syntax only works in place, like in an argument to a function or in an array literal. For example, this will work right here, spreaded with the array, and then we have the spread syntax R right there. But this will not work because it's just going to have a bunch of comma separated values outside of anything. It'd be basically like the same thing as saying spreaded equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That doesn't mean anything. Watch this. Yeah, see? Error, spreaded is not defined. Or let's even say let. How about that? And see, that's not going to work at all. So let's get rid of this and get back to work. All right, so now we're going to copy all the contents of R1 into another array R2 using the spread operator. So basically all we got to do is just come over here, say ... R1 like that, and you see the console.log R2 is going to have the Jan, Feb, Mar, April, May, just like that. And if we don't do that, it's going to have the actual array itself in there, right? So it'll be an array within an array. So let's go back, and you see it unpacks it just like that. So let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to use destructuring assignment to extract values from objects, and we'll see you next time.